Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. Welcome to more Real Estate Moments by Boothe, where my aim here is to allow you to experience the different properties that I get the privilege of getting access to. My name is Akeem Boothe, Moments by Boothe on Instagram, so head on over there and follow me up to see bits and pieces of my everyday life, behind the scenes content, and everything that I do to make these videos possible for you. So we're also at 450 subscribers right now, and you know we have an aim of getting to 500 subscribers by the end of July. So just if you're not a part of the Mementos family as yet, please hit the subscribe button down below to join the Mementos family, and also leave a comment in the comment section detailing your thoughts on this property. But enough of the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so today we're in St. Catherine and we're headed to Portmore, more specifically to Phoenix Park Village, to look at a brand new 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 810 square foot home for rent that is going for an asking price of $85,000 per month. And this 810 square foot home is actually one of the larger units at this gated community. So you know my style already. I'm going to flip the camera around and give you guys a time lapse of how to get there. All right, out. All right, so as you can see, we are here and let's get this tour on the way. So first thing you notice is that there is actually a 2-car garage or a 2-car parking spot in the front. All the houses are virtually identical, so you know the homeowner will be adding some finishing touches to make it a home for you. As it pertains to that, she's going to be grilling all the windows and all the doors within the next few weeks, but the place is still moving ready as is, and you're going to see that as we go inside. So making our grand entrance into the space, we can see where there are large windows that let in a lot of natural sunlight depending on where the sun is situated in the sky each day. We see where there are sockets or power outlets on the walls for your convenience, and it's a open concept for the most part. Again, you know, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. That's what everything looks like from the outside, but all of that will be grilled in short order. More power outlets right there, light right there. And let's just move into the kitchen based on the fact that we are in this space. So first of all, the first thing I see is this, I will call this additional storage space right here. Very large storage space. Let me stretch my hand in there so you can see how far this reaches. So this catches me all the way up to my elbow from the points of my fingers. And what I love about these cupboards, you can't actually slam them and damage them. There's a feature built in that slows the cupboard down before it is closed. All right. And speaking about this kitchen, I normally fancy darker cabinetry, but this kitchen has a white cabinetry with a galaxy white quartz, not galaxy white, galaxy gray quartz countertop, which looks absolutely stunning, if I do say so myself. There is space, of course, on this side for your stove, stainless steel, of course, to match these stainless steel finishes on the white cabinetry. And the white cabinetry in this particular kitchen is gorgeous. So of course, we'll definitely take a peek inside to see all the storage space that you have. We'll go through all of them one by one so you can see how much storage you will have to use up. Of course, as I said, there's a feature in place on all the drawers. You see, it stops, so you have to gently close it so you can slam it and damage it. And that's a really nice feature for me. More storage, even more storage. And this place just seems as though it can't run out of storage. And even under the sink, there is a large storage space under the sink. And this sink, of course, double bowl. I guess this is where you wash and this is where you rinse. We can turn the pipe on so you can see. Comes with 2 features, and you can also pull it out. So that's pretty nice. Stainless steel as well. And it's a very, 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 very modern feel in this kitchen. Of course, another power outlet right there. Let's look on the outside for a bit. You have your wash tubs on the outside and an area where you can come out and do your washing. And this is just a gravel area right now, but of course this will all be paved off by the homeowner in due time. And the lot size for this property is actually 3,500 square feet, and we can actually show you the marker of where the property actually stops. So that's one right there, and we can walk over to the other side and find the next marker. So here it is right here, and this is just a look of the house from the back. She's beautiful. Moving right back inside, let's just close the door behind us. And we'll move into the first of 2 bedrooms. And these doors, oh my gosh, they are absolutely stunning. They give a really modern feel to the home, and even these gray accents go well with the galaxy gray countertops in the kitchen. And this second bedroom is massive, absolutely massive. And again, modern cabinetry or closet space for you to utilize. And I'm pretty sure if I were living here, I would totally have all of this, the master closet, and all of this decked out with clothes, because of course, as you guys know, I am a clothing fanatic, and this is just a really nice space for you to store your clothing. And there's additional storage above for you to store anything else, probably big sheets. And I'm just going to give you guys a next look as to how this room is situated. And of course, all throughout the house you have ceramic tiling, power outlets right there, power outlets right there, and power outlets right there. As a matter of fact, I actually forgot to mention that this is where this right here or right here is where your refrigerator can be situated. And then of course, you know, you will have your microwave probably right here or right here, your bread pan with your little snacks and all of that, snacks for the kids on that side as well. And it's modern, and you can do as you would like with the space. So if the microwave is more convenient on this side for you, you can have it there, or if it's more convenient on this side, you can have it there. You know, you have your NutriBullet, so you can make your shakes in the morning, and there's a power outlet there, one there, and one here. So it doesn't matter where you want to situate your appliances, there is amenities to utilize to situate them anywhere you would feel like. All right, so we're going to move into actually this storage space right here, which is some additional storage, and it also has storage space above as well. So what we're realizing in this home is that there is a lot of storage, and let me just let you marvel again at this beautiful door. So let's move into the second bedroom, or the master as you would call it. Comes equipped with 2 windows and a large closet space, and this room is absolutely massive as well. Definitely can hold all your furniture and appliances, massive TVs and all that jazz. This actually has 2 sides to it, as opposed to the one in the second bedroom that has 1 side to it in a sense. Of course, you can hang your clothes right here, your pants, your shirts right here, your pants right there. You can put towels on the top rack here, and you just decide what you want to do with the space. Again, there's additional storage above the closet space for your convenience. And this is just a really nice modern bedroom setup. So moving right along into the actual bathroom, and it is a shared bath, Jack and Jill. It's shared between both bedrooms, so there's access on this side and there's also access on this side. And let me just open the windows so we can get some natural light coming through right here, and I can show you guys the shower head right here, and it comes with raindrop shower head, and it also has a detachable shower head in case you want to shower specific areas and not just have the water cascading down on your body. Let me actually turn it on so you guys can see it flow. Here we go. I hope the homeowner doesn't send me a charge for their water bill. It's a nice modern bathtub as well. Modern bathroom sink. There's additional storage down below. And they try to keep the gray theme throughout, I see. It's still the Galaxy White quartz counter used in the bathroom. There's a mirror right there. Hello. Lighting above, power outlet, a towel rack, and of course, you know, every home needs this. And just like with the cabinets in the kitchen, you can't actually slam these toilets. They actually have the slow closing feature. So moving out of the shared bathroom, you take a look on the outside from the inside, and this is essentially what the property looks like right now. From the inside, the homeowner actually has plans to pave this entire driveway off sometime in the near future, so you can expect that if you're going to be renting this place for a long time. And that is pretty much it for this property. It's short and sweet. The space is lovely. Again, it is 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, open concept, living and kitchen area, living, kitchen and dining area. Lots of windows to let in all that natural light and breeze. Actually, the homeowner will be installing air conditioning units in this property as well. For the water that runs through this place, there is actually a solar powered water heater, and the place is actually rigged or wired for security. So if that is a function you would like to put in, you can always have that put in for yourselves in terms of having additional security. But with this being a gated community and you seeing the process that I actually went through to get inside, where I pulled up to the first sleeping police, and there was actually a camera and a microphone to my left, which I was speaking to the security guard who was maybe 10 feet away, and he asked for my name, asked for my license plate number, asked me where I was headed. He already had my name on the approved list, so he told me I should come down to the gate. He verified my name, and then he let me in. So there is that level of security here at first, and then of course the additional grilling that's going to be on all these windows and the doors will make you feel right at home in this gated community. So I don't even think there'll be a need for you to actually add this additional security feature. But this has been another real estate moment by Boothe. I thank you guys for watching as always, and please remember to like this video and share this video with a friend. And don't forget that if you're watching this, subscribe to my channel for more real estate moments by Boothe. And remember that we're trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of July. So become a part of the Mementos family and hit that subscribe button. But this has been AB, and I'm signing out.